Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with class 8, chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable and exercises 2.2. Here for 2 days we will do that at 2.2 and 2.4, that is total application based. So children, study with me this one 2.2 and I'll tell you in very simple way this exercise. Okay, so let us start. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, okay, you will get 1 by 8. What is the number? So, बस क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ें, आपको आंसर उसी के अंदर से मिल जाएगा. See, if you subtract, अगर आपने subtract किया 1 by 2 from a number, that number suppose you will take x, okay, just वो नंबर हमने क्या ले लिया, x ले लिया, एंड मल्टीप्लाई द रिजल्ट. उसके बाद वॉट एवर इज द रिजल्ट, दिस इज द रिजल्ट. रिजल्ट को आप क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 by 2. यू विल गेट व्हाट आंसर, 1 by 8. नाउ व्हाट इज द नंबर, नंबर वी हैव टेकन व्हाट, x. सो अब इसको हम लिख लेते हैं. लेट द नंबर बी x फर्स्ट, देन according to the question, what the question is saying, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, that means x से हमने subtract किया किसको, 1 by 2 को, what you will get. And one more thing they have said, subtract this from a number and multiply the result. What is the result? इन दोनों को माइनस करने के बाद this is the result. इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया किससे, 1 by 2 से. What you will get? You will get what? 1 upon 8. आपको सिर्फ एक चीज माइंड में रखनी है, you have to make the equation. एक बार आपकी इक्वेशन बन गई, you can easily solve it. Okay? Now see. X minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 8. Just find out x. It's very simple. See, x minus 1 by 2. Okay. Take the LCM of this. इसके नीचे क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. That is 1. Okay. Now this is what, 2. This is 1 into 2 is 2. So x into 2 is 2x. Minus 2 ones are 2. 2 into 1, this is 1. Okay, then this is 1 by 2. That is equal to what? 1 by 8. Right? Now see, what do you have to do? 2x minus 1, इसको तो हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, अपॉन 2 है, into 1 upon 2 है. Right? This is equal to what? 1 upon 8. Now what you will do? ऊपर multiply. That is 2x minus 1 into 1 is that only. And 2 into 2 is what? 4. आप कोई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन इसमें नहीं होता है. मल्टीप्लीकेशन दैट मीन्स ऊपर अगर कटिंग हो रहा है then you just cut the number. Otherwise just multiply and write. That is equal to 1 upon 8. Now do the cross multiplication of this. What you will get? 8 को इधर लेके आएंगे. 2x minus 1, that is equal to 4 into 1. Right? 2 8s are what? 16x minus 8 equals to what? 4. Now see, number, this will go that side. So it will become 6x equals to 4 plus 8. That is equal to what? Okay, downwards write down. This is what? 12. And this is x. यहाँ क्या हो, 16 क्या हो रहा है, multiply हो रहा है. This will go that side. It will become divide. Then 2 कितने सा, और सीधा काटे आप. 2 6 are 12 and 2 8 are 16, और 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. So what we will get? We get x is equal to what? 3 by 4. So children, I think question, you got the question. See, सबसे पहले आपने x लिया, उसके बाद according to the question x में से इसको माइनस करेंगे. this result में से आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया 1 by 2 को, you will get the answer what? 1 by 8. And in this way you have to solve it. Okay children, now come to the next question. So children, let us come to second question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool है एक, okay, is 154 meter. Perimeter they have given. P is equal to what? 154 meter. Perimeter you know, total length. Perimeter is total length of the pool. Its length is 2 meter. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So जो चीज नहीं दी रहती ना आपको वो x माननी है. Let now solution. Let the breadth means that b equals to x, right? अब लेंथ क्या है? लेंथ इज गिवन टू यू. लेंथ इज इक्वल टू कितना है? 2 मीटर मोर देन ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ. 2 मीटर मोर देन ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ. व्हाट इज ब्रेथ? ब्रेथ इज x. ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ मीन्स 2 into x. ट्वाइस इट्स ब्रेथ में 2 और ज्यादा है क्या? लेंथ. इज इट क्लियर? ट्वाइस ऑफ what? Breadth plus 2 that they want to say. Now what are the length and breadth? अब हो गया question simple. Now see, breadth you know, length you know. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangular pool, that is equal to what? 2 in bracket L plus B. Remember the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Okay, now see, you know what is the length. What is the length? Length is this one. So write in this way. इसको ब्रैकेट में हम लोग लिख लेंगे 2 plus 2x. Okay. And what is the breadth? Breadth is what? X. Right. And perimeter you know, that is given to you. That is what? 154. आप यहाँ पे भी इसको समझ सकते हैं. ब्रेड तो फिर x है तो लेंथ क्या है? 2 plus 2x. Okay. Now say this is equal to, आप यहां से 2 को इधर लेके आ जाइए. 154 divided by 2, that is equal to, अब अंदर क्या रह गया? 2 plus 2x plus x, right? say 2 यही रहेगा plus 2x plus 1x 3x. this is, कट कर दो इसको. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 again 2 sevens are 14. So what you got? You got 77. 77 equals to this. अब 77 यहाँ देखो, this is number, so bring it here, transpose कर दिया. What you'll get? You'll get this one. Now what is this? See, ये प्लस था यहाँ आया माइनस हो गया. Then this is 77 minus 2. What is left? 75. Not 75. Yes. 3x is equal to 75. Now I am just doing it here. I am doing it here. Okay. 75 is equal to 3x. So 75 यहाँ पे ये multiply हो रहा है. When it will come this side, it will get divided. This is equal to x. 3 कितने जा? 3 2 जा 6 होता है. इधर 1 बचा 15. 3 5 जा 15. So what is our x? Our x is what? 25. So children, I think this is very simple way. आप जब करोगे तो आपको बहुत आसान लगेगा. Just do it in this way. Question कभी भी गलत नहीं हो सकता. Okay? So let's try in this way. Now see what we'll get. We get x is 25. And what is our? This is what? This is our breadth. Breadth is 25. What is our length? Length is equal to 2 plus 2x. That means 2 plus what? 2 into 25. 2 into 25. That is equal to 2 plus 50. That is equal to 52. Okay. So what is our this length? Length is equal to 52. What is our breadth? Breadth equals to this. Okay, children. Now let us come to. I think this is understood. Breadth क्या दी हुई है? Length क्या दी हुई है? Perimeter is given to you. Perimeter you have written. और जैसे आपकी ये इक्वेशन बेटा बन जाती है, then see you can solve it in this way. Okay. So now let us come to third question.
Go.
So children, as you have seen here, question number 1 and 2, I just told you आप इसको solve करिए and try करिए. Okay. Try your examples. I'll tell you other question in my next video. Be with me. I'll continue this in my next video. Till then, goodbye and subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel. Children, okay, goodbye.